Okay, I'd like to talk about capsule network today. I'd like to start with to discuss some of the innovations that I believe is kind of unique in capsule networks. The first one is that it kind of group neurons together to form capsules. Consequently, we'll group information together and process them as a vector rather than scalar. Secondly, unlike previous neural network paradigm, feed-forward, what I'm referring mainly the feed-forward neural networks, basically the next layer receive information from the previous layer kind of passively. Here, what we have is the routing rate, in the sense the rate from the early layer capsule to the later layer capsule are not fixed or predefined. However, it's using something called routing by agreement. So then in the sense that you can think of the later layer actually can indirectly control what is sent to it. I got an example from a blog by J. Quay here. So for example, you have in the lower layer, we have children capsule, child capsule is detecting different components of a face, detecting eyes, nose, and mouth, and so on. And then this information will group together and to a parent capsule will detect the whole face. So the agreement is in the sense that if the eyes we are detecting here is more aligned with the face we are here, then we'll have a larger weight contribution to this particular capsule. For example, we may have one is also detecting not just a human face but also maybe a kitten face. I don't know how to draw that though. I don't know. Something like that. Maybe like that as a kitten. So and let's say this is the left eyes and right eye for detected with this orientation here. So for the child capsule, for example here, it detects eyes is basically like the face with this minus 20 degree orientation. However, I may have another input to this capsule and actually detect an eyes like this from the other child capsules. Let's say they all suggest that it looks like it's a face is with tilting minus 20 degrees. So then this is not a very good match with this face here, right? But let's say we have another cat face that we detect is like this at this moment, is the current estimate is with no tilting, so 0 degree. But for cat's eyes, maybe it's already right at the beginning, it's a little bit tilted like this one here. So then this one will be more this capsule will be more in agreement with this one. And so therefore the weight transferring information from this capsule to this kitten capsule will be more than this face capsule.